Most men think they're just tired, but they're wrong. They are not tired, they are declining. And the worst part? They don't even notice it happening. One day you wake up and you don't recognize yourself anymore. Low energy, no focus, no drive, and you think, it's my fault. But what if I told you, it's not your fault? It's biology. Because in the next few minutes, you'll understand how modern life is silently destroying male hormones, why the gym alone is not enough, and how small daily habits are lowering your testosterone without you even realizing it. And one of those habits, you probably do right before sleeping. Let me tell you something real. There was a phase in my life where everything looked normal from the outside, but inside, I felt completely drained. I would wake up tired even after sleeping. I would sit on my bed scrolling endlessly, watching other people live their lives while mine felt stuck. And the worst part? I thought this was normal. I thought maybe I was just lazy or unmotivated. But I wasn't. I was running on low energy without knowing why. Later, I discovered something shocking. Research over the past decade shows that male testosterone levels have been steadily declining worldwide. Same age, different biology. And a major clinical study found that even a few days of poor sleep can significantly reduce hormone levels. Not months, days. So the question is, what changed? Look at your routine. Late nights, phone glowing in the dark, endless scrolling. You are not resting. You are overstimulating your brain. Even a few nights of poor sleep can significantly reduce testosterone because your body produces most of its hormones during deep sleep. But most men destroy this process every single day by trading sleep for instant dopamine. Fix this first. 7 to 9 hours of sleep, a consistent sleep schedule, and no screens 1 hour before bed. Simple but powerful. Now let's talk about training. Most people believe more gym equals more testosterone. But that's not fully true. Overtraining can actually lower testosterone because the body never gets enough recovery. Resistance training increases testosterone only when recovery is balanced. So focus on heavy compound lifts 3 to 5 days per week and proper rest. Your body doesn't grow in the gym. It grows in recovery. Now the truth most people ignore. Everything you eat is information for your body. Testosterone depends on healthy fats, protein, and micronutrients. But modern diets destroy this balance. Processed food, sugar, and unhealthy oils are silently lowering your hormones. Go back to basics. Eggs, meat, fish, fruits, and vegetables. Real food builds real strength. Most people stay indoors all day and then wonder why they feel weak. Vitamin D plays a key role in testosterone production, and low sunlight exposure leads to lower hormone levels. Just 15 to 30 minutes of sunlight daily can make a difference. Stress is another silent killer. High stress increases cortisol, and high cortisol lowers testosterone. That means even if you eat well and train hard, stress can still block your progress. Walking, breathing control, and reducing constant digital stimulation help your nervous system reset. Calm body, strong hormones. Now the hidden problem. Your brain is overstimulated. Short videos, social media, instant gratification. All of this lowers your dopamine baseline, making normal life feel boring. That's why you feel unmotivated or stuck. But you are not broken. You are overstimulated. Reduce endless scrolling, porn, and constant instant rewards so your brain can reset. Because this is not just about testosterone, it's about identity. Who you are becoming is shaped by your daily habits, not your intentions. Start here. 8 hours sleep, 3 to 5 workouts weekly, 20 minutes sunlight daily, no phone before bed, and reduced dopamine overload. Do this for 14 days. Not perfectly, just consistently. If you suspect any medical issue, get tested and consult a professional. You don't need motivation, you need structure. Because the version of you with energy, focus, and confidence already exists. But your habits are blocking him right now. So ask yourself, are your habits building you or breaking you? Because at the end of the day, you don't become what you want. You become what you repeat. If this hit you, comment reset and start the 14-day challenge today. Save this, because this might be the moment everything changes.